Downloaded something on your iPhone but don't know where to find the file? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to find your downloads on iPhone. Now let's get started. There are two places you can find your downloads. If you downloaded a file through Safari, tap the blue arrow in the bottom left corner. Then select Downloads. Here you'll see a list of all your recent downloads. The other place you can find your downloads is in the Files app. Open the Files app on your iPhone. Tap Browse. Then select Downloads. Here you'll see all the files you've downloaded to your iPhone. That covers the two places you can find your downloads on iPhone. Looking to add music from your Files app to Apple Music? Check out this tutorial to learn how. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.